If you're planning to travel, study, or work in the United States, listen closely. The US has just introduced a new $250 visa integrity fee. This applies to most non-immigrant visa categories, including the tourist, student, work, and business visas. And yes, this includes popular visas like H-1B, which many Indian tech workers do rely on. This fee came into effect on July 4th as part of a new big law called the Omnibus Act, also called as the Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill. So what exactly is this $250 fee? The US government says it's a security deposit. It's meant to encourage people to follow their visa rules, mainly leaving the country on time. The fee is refundable, but only if you leave the US within 5 days after your visa expires and you don't try to extend or change your status. For tourists, that might be easy, but for students and professionals on long-term visas, it means the money could stay with the US government for years, which could affect your financial planning. Now let's talk about how this affects the Indian nationals. The new fee is expected to increase the total visa cost by up to 2.5 times. For example, by 2026, the average tourist visa could cost up to about 40,000 rupees or $472. That includes the new $250 visa integrity fee, a $24 I-94 fee, and a $13 ESTA fee. Experts say this could have a major effect on the tech industry, especially Indian IT companies that send their engineers to the US on H-1B visas and other work visas. So if you're planning to apply, you might want to book your visa appointment before 2026 just to avoid this extra cost. Keep in mind, the visa integrity fee will also increase each year with the rising inflation. There are some exceptions though. People applying for diplomatic visas, that's visa categories A and G, do not have to pay this fee. In summary, a new $250 fee is here. It's refundable, but with strict rules, visa costs for Indians could go up sharply and the tech sector might feel the pinch. So if you're a student, tourist, or a job seeker, plan ahead and stay informed. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such updates. Thank you for watching.